Well, the Daikin leak was not repaired. Got another error this morning, low on charge. And this elbow is cracked on both sides where the bell begins. On both sides of that elbow, it's got a crack. Luckily we had another oil stain. I put nitrogen in it. As soon as we lifted the tile, you could hear it hissing. Yeah, it's nice. So we're gonna have to cut it out, and I'm gonna get a piece of 1/2 inch and swedge both ends, and we're gonna make a repair. Fun times. All right, I got the line cleaned up here. We've got the crack on this fitting. On this fitting here, I think it's okay, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut right about there. Right about there. I can't really point to it. Hold on. I'm going to cut right there, and I'm going to make a piece of soft copper. I'm going to try to mimic that and put it in, get rid of these elbows, and put a piece of copper in like that right there. Now that piece is not going to be it. I had a change of mind. I was going to just replace this elbow here, and then thought, well, if this one broke, chances are that one up there is going to probably go next. So I'm going to replace the whole piece. And I've got a helper going up on the roof right now. He's going to set up the nitrogen. Going to take out the one fitting on the neutral gas, not the neutral gas line. It's kind of a, for heat recovery, it's the third gas line. You've got the suction, you've got the liquid, and you've got the gas line. It'll take hot gas or cool vapor back and forth. I mean, it's a kind of the third line. So he's going to take the Schrader core out of it, and we're going to go through the suction. All the valves are open, wide open on the unit. They're in recovery mode, so everything's driven wide open. So I'm going to have him run gas or nitrogen through that, and we're going to purge it like we should, and go ahead and braze this guy in. All right, here's what we got. Got one solid piece. Two joints total. We're going to purge the nitrogen. We're going to get these two ends brazed up, and then we'll put it on a standing nitrogen test and see how we're doing. All right, we're going in through the suction line, flowing nitrogen through. Got this set at about 3. See down in there that ball just a little bit above that, a little above 5. All these are run in, isolating the condenser. We took the core out, and we're purging through here. I turned it up to like as far as the flow rater would go, and I could feel the nitrogen coming out. So we got flow going through. So I'm gonna go downstairs and try to hit those two joints and get them closed up. Got 15 pounds of this jug into the unit before we open the lines up back to the condenser side. So got a heat gun in order to heat up the tank. It's about 34 degrees outside. Gonna put this thing in manual refrigerant mode, manual charge mode. Have to hold the VS1 button down about 5-6 seconds, 20 times. Accept, confirm, accept. There we go. Now the unit will ramp up, and it'll actually charge the unit up. I can watch the scale. I've got to add like 25 more pounds, so I'm gonna get what I can out of this jug, and then I'm gonna put a fresh one on there. We had about 40 pounds between the two jugs, so let me charge them up. These units have a charging port on them. Once you put it in manual charging mode, you hook it up to that port right there. You got like the shared gas line, suction line, the discharge line, and then you got the charge line, the charge port. And that allows you to charge up your system, reduces the chance of any slugging. So, that's about pounds, 10 ounces in there. We need to get up to 24, so got the heat on it. She's winding up, trying to drink the juice, so only got about 20 pounds to go and we'll be done. Well, we got 24 pounds in it. It's all we could get out of it. Probably got about a pound left in this tank, but when it's cold like this, it's about all we can get out. It's about 24, so we usually take them back to the shop and recover everything out of the cylinders, the 1 pound, and put it into a recovery cylinder. So this one's done. We're gonna wrap everything up, put the covers back on, turn all the units back on, and it should be good now. Got to go back downstairs and insulate the line, and that'll be it. All right, I'll show you what caused the leak. I've got the piece downstairs, got a 90-degree fitting with a crack in it. So I'll show you that before the video wraps up. Alright, the crack is right there. And there's another one on the other side. Can't see that one as well. It's right there, I believe, yeah. So the fitting failed. I think they heated it up and got it past 90. I think they bent it out. It doesn't look like a true 90. So that's where my leak was at the beginning. I thought it was at the flare, which there was a small leak there, but that wasn't the one obviously blowing the charge. Goes to show you, you need to put everything on a nitrogen test and make sure everything's holding pressure before you jump the gun and go to the next step and put the refrigerant in. Got to learn it the hard way. So that's a wrap up. The leak is fixed. Thanks for watching, guys.